Hi, my name is Darren Akins. I'm a product support specialist. I served in the U.S. Air Force as an explosive ordnance disposal technician.
I'm Bobby Allen, the hardware repair technician for Noregon Systems. I was in the United States Air Force as a machinist.
I'm Dave Allred. I'm the Director of IT and Order Fulfillment. I was in the Coast Guard as an E4 electronics technician.
My name is Tim Bigwood. I'm the CEO of Noregon. I was fortunate enough to serve in the United States Army as a paratrooper and signal officer in support of the 82nd Airborne Division.
Hi, my name is Scott Bolt. I'm the Director of Product Development in Noregon Systems. In the Navy, I served on the United States submarine as the Engineering Watch Supervisor.
Hey, I'm Jamie Kleiner, the Project Manager with Noregon. I proudly served the United States Air Force as a Security Forces member.
My name is Andrew Gerstmeyer. I'm a Product Support Specialist here at Noregon. I am United States Navy retired Electronic Warfare Technician First Class.
Jason Hedman, JPRO Product Manager, United States Army, 1st Cavalry Division, 1994 to 1998.
Hi, I'm Jack Knight. I'm a remote administration here at Noregon Systems, and I served in the United States Marine Corps as a data systems specialist.
My name is Andrew Miles. I'm a DTM technical lead in Oregon here. I served in the Air Force for 6 years as a munition systems and bomb builder.
Hi, my name is Wayne Miller. I'm an operations program manager with Noregon Systems, and I served in the United States Marine Corps. I was a fire direction controlman.
Joshua Phil. I'm the configuration and deployment supervisor here at Noregon Systems. I was in the United States Marine Corps as a fire direction controlman.
I'm Brad Queen, a vehicle electronics specialist here at Noregon. I served in the U.S. Air Force as a jet engine mechanic.
My name is Christopher Robertson. I'm here as a order fulfillment specialist. I serve the Army as a geospatial analyst.
Hello, I'm Brian Sexton. I'm a software engineer here at Noregon, and I serve in the Air National Guard.
Hi, my name is Paul Smith. I am a business development manager here at Noregon. I served in the U.S. Army in the 82nd Airborne as an airborne infantryman.
My name is Jason Souls. I am the territory account manager here at Noregon Sales. I was in the United States Marine Corps. I was a dragon gunner while I was there.
My name is Stevie Townsend. I'm a product support specialist at Noregon. I served in the U.S. Army as Sergeant.